What if you only had to charge your electric car once to drive across the entire country? And what if that same battery lasted longer than your career? For years, EVs have been held back by two massive flaws: range anxiety and batteries that degrade over time. But Toyota just quietly shattered the rules of physics with a new innovation that doesn't just change how we drive, it might just save our future. We are officially standing on the edge of the solid-state revolution. Welcome to Daily Auto Tips. Your car care starts here. Toyota is preparing to debut a radical new battery tech between 2027 and 2028 that completely replaces the flammable liquid electrolytes inside current EVs with a super stable solid material. The specs sound like science fiction: a mind-blowing 1,200-kilometer range, a full hypercharge in under 10 minutes, and a jaw-dropping 40-year lifespan. Today, we're breaking down how this single breakthrough is about to heal our planet and reshape humanity forever. To understand why this is a zillion times better, we have to look at what's under the hood right now. Current EVs rely on liquid lithium-ion chemistry. It works, but liquids are heavy, highly sensitive to temperature, and, in rare cases, flammable. Over time, these liquids degrade. That means after a decade of hard driving, your EV's battery is essentially e-waste. Humanity didn't swap gas cars just to fill landfills with dead batteries. Enter solid state. By backing their engineering with over 1,000 global patents and teaming up with chemical giants like Idemitsu and Sumitomo Metal Mining, Toyota has forged a solid electrolyte that cannot leak, cannot catch fire, and transfers energy at lightning speed. Imagine pulling into a charging station, plugging in, grabbing a quick espresso, and walking out 10 minutes later with 750 miles of range. That completely eliminates the charging bottleneck. No more waiting. No more range anxiety. But the real magic isn't the speed, it's the humanity factor. A 40-year lifespan means a single battery could outlast the vehicle it was built for. When the car retires, that battery can be extracted and repurposed to power homes, hospitals, or local grids for another 20 years. This slashes the global demand for mining raw materials like lithium and cobalt. It turns the automotive industry into a true circular economy. By fixing battery degradation, we aren't just building better cars, we are building a zero-emission energy grid for the next generation. The transition from prototype to affordable mass production won't happen overnight, but the blueprint is set. Toyota's solid-state innovation proves that engineering doesn't have to compromise. We can have extreme performance, absolute safety, and ultimate sustainability all at once. The future isn't just electric, it's solid. If you think a 40-year battery will change the world, smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech shaping our tomorrow. Drop a comment below. Would you buy an EV if it charged in 10 minutes? Let's talk about it, and I'll see you in the next one.